possession from tip-off. It gets knocked back there and picked up there by that man Habimana and the Tigers. Of course, a defensive master class performer here in the BAL. Jackson goes up high, it's not been picked up. Little touch there, and it's been picked up here by Lukeni. He is sneaky, and Lukeni gets the first points for Petro de Luanda. Lukeni, Gaku. 3 points for Gaku!
Well, that is an area rival run for the Angolan champions.
We talk about daggers that sort of, create the silence here in the BK arena as there's steal taking place. Domingos gets it to Gaku. Gaku driving up and through, and the layup for 2. Sort of our nerves are going to get, to everyone. You've got 8 players in this Petro team as Gaku drops in another 3. He is flying, soaring. Gaku over the top. Another chance to shoot. Randall this time. Oh my word. Randall. Gaku for a 3-shot. Oh, you just can't stop the man.
From Gaku. 4th made 3.
He's up to 13. And there we go. Finally. Great defensive work. Randall picks it up. Childe Dundao deals with him. Oh, the follow-up is good there. This year, but what about that from final? Moreira. Putney back to Moreira. It opens up. He tries to float it over the top. That's a wonderful soft touch. Watch out for the accelerator. When he wants to go, he goes. Putney for 3. Oh, he's at it as well. He replaces Gaku and seep into a game and cause a little bit of, concern. Jackson nails the mid-range 2.
Scorers in the game where the Tigers beat Petro de Luanda in the Kalahari Conference.
Gaku! Oh, get out of there! I think there's goaltending. Craig Randall, the second, trying to deal with Jock. Goes around him, goes high, goes beautifully around the side. That left-hand sniper who loves to hit big points in big games. Craig Randall going up. He's got his first 3! And the Tigers have just sharpened their claws. Poyo goes up for a long-range 3, and it comes back out. Jackson gets the ball to Leonard Jr. Randall for another 3-shot. Boom! And in it goes!
Here at the BK Arena.
I'll try and split it out properly next time. Randall going up off the glass contacts. It's up to 6 points now. Matiang, he goes all the way. Oh, that is pure class. And Matiang draws it away from. Oh, it's just gone back out. Picked up by Leonard Jr. Front rim. Ballo! Blockbuster. 7.3 defensive rebounds, but at the other end he can score as well. Long range shot going up. Rebound. And it's been picked up by no one else but Valente. Big dunk for Valente.
Clear.
Into Ballo, and he just drops the ball.
Looking for the claw. Valente doesn't get it.
Randall!
Going into this game, Sergio Moreno and Petro de Luanda understood what was at stake, playing against a home team, but also this is the first time that they're facing a home team in a BL final.
Leonard Jr.
Well, they've stolen possession once again, and Poyo back in. Randall, he doesn't drive in, he goes straight for the 3-shot. Randall kicking up a scandal. It's the start of the season. We open with a blockbuster. The ball comes out to Gaku, hits the 3 again. Castro looking for his PG. There he is, Dundao. Castro! Oh, come on! Randall up against Randall. Moreira, Childe Dundao, 3 seconds. They've got to get their shot in. It's got to go up soon. It does. And it goes in off the glass for that man, Childe Dundao. Oh, gets the ball to Matiang. It's all opened up. He goes around and in. Quality skills. Moreira with the screen. It comes back out as Chasson Randall high off the glass. Oh, it's been picked up by the head by Habimana. Leonard Jr. looking for it. There's a change of direction. Matiang!
this incredible place.
3:40 left in this third quarter. Ball comes back out, Chile Dundao trying to get the ball to Lukenny for a long range three-shot. How about that for the assassin shot from way out west?
Just his second field.
Randall, and his third chance points. Gaku, Rafael Putney for a three-shot. Oh, there it is, big time from Putney.
For Randall, been a magnificent season for both of these teams.
4-point lead, Dundao, the up and under. He's so sneaky. Rafael Putney shooting well, but he kicks it out to Lukenny. There's the three-shot from the left side, and he moves up to double figures now.
Right shot attempt, they do, and they tie it up. All level at 64.
All tied up. Well, look at this. It's Lukenny who steals the show once again. 2 more.
Final 7 minutes of this final.
Usher.
The RSSB Tigers find themselves in the same situation they were in earlier in the first.
Oh! Castro coming through. Collected there. Matiang trying to go to work in the paint. Gets it to Ballo. Ballo will deliver every on how they guard him. But I think it's the same for all of the Angolans, isn't it? Dundao. There it is. Randall. It's such a subtle touch there from Randall.
This is a different one.
Different gravy. There's the pass. Ballo! Oh, he picks up the foul as well. What's the time on the clock? Shot clock, I'm saying. There's Randall trying to get some separation. Oh! Sensational shooting from the outside. Putney! Blocks! Denied! Randall to take the lead. Matiang! Oh! This is bombastic! Rantino Jackson, he's 0 from 6 from the outside. Not the right person to maybe take the shot.
Hasn't worked yet from the outside.
Randall, this is massive! Oh, come on! That's just impossible!
Both of his teams.
Yeah, but you've got Domingos and Chile Dundao. They're quick, they make turnovers. Habimana's got space. He's got his look and he's got his three! Habimana from downtown Rwanda. King of the boards has made it their ball. That was nearly a touch there from Ballo. Rushed it a little bit there. 47 seconds.
Gotta go quickly.
Randall's gone quickly. Picked up by Gaku. Another chance. Chile Dundao. Out to Rafael Putney into the corner. Running out of time. Gaku for a three. Gaku hits a three. 18.2 seconds left. 3 seconds. Off the rim.
That feels like the only option here for Petro de Luanda.
The battle starts right here. He goes up, who's gonna get it? There's the shot, it's not gone. And it's the Tigers who have